unveiled its first-ever SUV on Tuesday, the Purosangue. Its 715 horsepower V12 engine sends it to 62 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds. The Purosangue has unique rear hinge doors and 4 seats. The 4-seater will start at €390,000, roughly $390,000, but Ferrari hasn't revealed US pricing yet. Its 6.2-litre V12 should churn out 715 horsepower and 528 pound-feet of torque, according to Ferrari's estimates. It'll rip from a standstill to 62 miles per hour in a brief 3.3 seconds, placing it among the quickest SUVs on the market, and with top speed of 193 miles per hour. The Purosangue will go on sale next year and will compete with other high-end SUVs like the Lamborghini Urus, Aston Martin DBX, and Porsche Cayenne.